Hello, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं एक magic video. This guy's name is Karan Singh Magic, his channel's name, and he's going to read Virat Kohli's mind. Let's see. The creepy, dramatic sound is necessary for magic to be pulled off.
Somebody from your childhood which no way anybody could know. Okay? Like a friend that you remember having, or a teacher, anything that you already thought.
Already विराट पहले पहुंचा होता.
Just give me one hint. Is this somebody from
हर
your
काम में
school?
is already
Is this
there.
somebody from college? Is this somebody from your colony? What is this? Colony. Okay, imagine
कितनी देसी चीज़ है colony के
8
दोस्त.
years old. You're in your park, you're learning how to play cricket, you're playing with him. This is somebody who you used to play with as a child. Are you still in touch with this person?
Recently, yes.
Recently, okay. You lost touch for a while and then you gained back touch? Okay, perfect. Do you remember both names, first name and the second name? Okay, we'll try this. Imagine you're playing with him. And imagine he's a cricketer as well. And he plays for one of the IPL teams, not RCB, but another team. Right? And imagine, was he better at bowling or batting?
Bowling.
Okay, imagine he's bowling for you. And you're batting. And obviously you're playing fantastically against him. Imagine doing that. And the commentators, let's say, Harsha Bhogle is commenting. And he says,
Okay.
XYZ runs up to bowl from this end. And Virat hits him through four.
Okay.
Imagine his name. Imagine shouting the name really loudly. So when you see this little bit, he did something like this. Softer sound in the beginning like a P or a B. A P, thank you. Don't react much, but I try to do this. Generally imagine shouting the name. Can you spell the name in your head?
Yes.
Slightly quick. The first name is not very long. 5 or 6 letters, yes?
Yeah.
6 letters?
Yeah.
Okay. Pick a letter somewhere in the middle
That guy has a poker face, man. Look at him. He's not giving anything away. Like, look at his face.
of his name, in the middle of the first name.
Yeah.
And say that to yourself. That's a Y, yes?
Oh shit, he's right. Huh?
We try this. I'll try to get this name as close as I can. Keep saying this to yourself. I might not get the second name right. Does the second name start with an N? Yeah, okay, I think I have this. I'll show all of you what I think it is. Don't say what I've written. I'll show all of you. Keep it completely to yourself.
Piyush
You
what?
Close your eyes as well. Right? Have a look. Right, got it?
अरे वो नेहरा जी भी
Just a
हैं.
second, I'm showing it to everybody.
नेहरा जी looking cool by the way.
Got it?
Piyush Nagpal.
Got it?
Nagpal.
Now everybody here is proof that I can't change what I've written. I'm going to count to 3. I want you to tell everybody the friend that you're thinking of, and their reaction will tell you if I got it right or not. 1, 2, 3.
Piyush Nagpal.
अबे भगवान. How the fuck did he get it, bro? Yo, for the longest time, I used to think कि ये already planned होता है, already fixed होता है. And I still sort of think that, like, I'm not gonna lie, मुझे अभी भी ऐसा लगता है कि ये these are like planned by celebrities and celebrity magicians because they're like all friends. So like we all understand there's no such thing as supernatural powers or there's no such thing like that, okay? ऐसा किसी के पास नहीं है कि mentally आप किसी का mind read कर सको. What you can do is you can do deductions, you can deduce things. You can be like Sherlock Holmes. You can use intelligent arguments to kind of deduce some kind of an outcome किसी भी situation में. अगर आप देख रहे हो एक बंदा चलता हुआ जा रहा है और आप जरा फैक्टर्स को इंक्लूड करोगे कि रात के 12 बज रहे हैं, अकेला चलता हुआ जा रहा है, पाँव में इसने जूते नहीं पहने हुए हैं, तो यू कैन गेट एन आइडिया ऑफ हु दैट पर्सन माइट बी, राइट? आप रिड्यूस करते हो, कोई माइंड रीडिंग नहीं है. बट व्हाट ही इज डूइंग, दिस इज लाइक स्ट्रेट अप माइंड रीडिंग, राइट? सो it's obviously hard to like buy the whole shit ke, you know, there's mind reading capabilities that human beings have unlocked and they can do that now. David Blaine has done this kind of stuff, and what's the other guy's name? Chris Angel has done this kind of stuff. So I don't want to say ke, oh, it's not real, yeah, it's fake, yeah, scripted. It's not, probably, because he probably doesn't even know much about Virat Kohli, but the way he deduced, the way he kind of figured it out. So मेरी नजर में what I think he did, what मेरे ख्याल से इसकी trick क्या है, which I could obviously be wrong, I don't fucking know, is के, oh, let me just watch the full video first.
Dude, man, it's scary. Scary. They did this to me like during Diwali. Crazy, man.
So that was Virat Kohli. A lot of you said that you wanted to see a mind reading video, and that's it.
Okay, so what I think he would do, और अगर मैं इसकी जगह होता तो मैं क्या करता, is what I would say, because I have no idea how he did it. This is freaking me out right now. So what I would do is मेरा question ही loaded होता. So I think that's what I would have done. कि मेरा question जो है ना वही loaded है कि मुझे पता है उसका जवाब पहले से क्या है. That's the only way to do this trick, right? कि आपको पता होना चाहिए आपके सवाल का जवाब क्या होने वाला है. You're not gonna give the answer. Answer is gonna be by somebody else. But if you ask somebody what's 2 plus 2, you know they'll say 4. So you need to know that fact. So yeah. So I think he already knew how to get to Piyush Nagpal's name. How to make Kohli say his name, basically. He knew who Piyush is, yeah. Somehow he knew. I don't know how. Maybe he's following him on Twitter. Maybe he heard him talk about it. Maybe, you know, maybe he saw Instagram पे recently like किया था इसने किसी को और follow किया किसी को. And then they see कि oh, ये बचपन का दोस्त था इसका. Then he, I don't know. I'm saying this is what I would do to be able to do a magic video like this. But this is crazy, man, because I don't think इसने इतनी सारी मेहनत की होगी कि Instagram पे बैठ के stalk किया होगा कि किसको follow कर रहा है कोहली आजकल. That's crazy, man. How is he? See, I keep saying, how does he do it? How does he do it? I can never know. Nobody can ever know. But I think how he does it is he was trying to like read facial expressions and trying to figure out the letters, which he made us think. But I don't think that's how he's doing it. I think that's just he's making us think कि मैं उसके micro expressions पढ़ रहा हूँ. But that's not what's going on. Kohli is a stone-faced man. ईंट जैसा मुंह, पत्थर जैसा मुंह बना के बैठा हुआ था वो poker face. आप नहीं पढ़ सकते उसका. That was pretty cool, man. I don't know what to say to this. Like I don't have anything to say to this other than what I've already said. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this and let me know what your theory is. आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या reason है? Why is this, you know, a thing with all magicians out there, all TV magicians especially, video magicians or TV magicians you want to call them. They go to like other celebrities and they try to do magic tricks. You can see David Blaine went to see David Dobrik and did magic for him and his friends. And back in the day when Tonight shows were like more popular, he used to go on Tonight shows and do magic over there. So yeah, hey, cheese hai ye. It's not a new thing, it's a thing. But how it works is crazy to me. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my reaction to this. Let me know what your theory is. Leave it in the comments below. And if you have other interesting videos like this, let me know. We'll check them out together. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Take really good care of yourself. Shabba khair.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the